In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook group quality problem 5 minutes. If your Facebook group has warnings, restrictions, or a lowered distribution, the quickest way to turn things around is to check group status and address what Facebook has flagged. I'll walk you through where to find it and how to interpret what you see so you can restore your group's health. Start by opening your browser and going to facebook.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages the group. This is easiest on a desktop because the menus are clearer, but the steps are similar on mobile. From the Facebook homepage, look to the left sidebar and click on Groups. This opens the Groups hub where you'll see the groups you've joined and the ones you manage. If you don't see groups right away, click See More to expand the menu. Next, choose the group you manage. You need to be an admin or a moderator to access the tools we're about to use. Once you're inside the group, look for the Admin Tools panel. It's usually on the left side on desktop. You'll see options like Admin Assist, Member Requests, and Group Quality or Group Status. Click Group Status. Depending on your layout, it might be labeled Group Quality. This page shows the health of your group at a glance, whether it's in good standing, at risk, or has restrictions. You'll also see a list of specific issues such as posts that violate community standards, repeated spam, or misleading content. Carefully review each item in the list. Click through to see the post or action that triggered the issue and read Facebook's explanation. The page usually offers recommended actions such as removing the violating post, declining similar content, or adjusting your group settings. Follow the prompts on each item to resolve what's flagged. Aim to remove or address the most serious issues first, especially those tied to safety or integrity policies, because these carry the biggest impact on your group's visibility. As you work through the list, consider tightening your moderation to prevent repeat problems, turning on post approvals for a while, enabling Admin Assist to filter obvious spam, and reminding members of your group rules can help. Keep your comments to members factual and neutral. The goal is to reduce future violations. If you believe something was flagged in error, use the appeal option shown on the item and provide a clear explanation. After you've addressed the issues, return to group status to confirm everything shows as resolved. Improvements aren't always instant, but consistent compliance will help your group recover. Stay proactive by checking this page regularly so small problems don't grow into restrictions.